How to enable keyboard sounds on iPhone 12. So if while typing on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want the keyboard sound to beep, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So you can see my keyboard sound is not beeping. Then if you want to enable the keyboard sound to work on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down the settings page and click on sounds and haptics. Once you click on that, scroll down the page until you get to keyboard feedback under system sounds and haptics, and then click on that. Then locate sounds and turn this on. Now once you enable sound under keyboard feedback, now visit this page. Now when next you are typing on your iPhone like this, then you should hear the keyboard sound just like that. So that is basically how to enable keyboard sounds on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.